wherein your eye doctor's appointment is that way. Pharmacy ng Kaiser. Richmond. Kaiser Richmond. Ang laki. You guys come down. Freya, somebody's coming. Shh, shh. Freya, calm down. Nag-lunch break pa yung mga empleyado. Return check-up ng eye allergy ng anak ko. Freya, get up, please. Freya, get up. That's really dusty there.
You're not getting it. No, you're not getting it. Now they're gonna bonk your head down. What? Oh, you're not getting this.
Hi. All right.
Oh, I like your dress. It's so pretty. Right over here.
All right.
Okay, you can have a seat with her right here.
Okay. Can we sit there?
You can sit there too, or you can sit with her.
Okay.
Because the doctor's gonna examine her.
Okay.
Okay.
It's just return checkup
Yeah.
for her eyes, and I'm glad it's gone now.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. You wanna sit there with Mama? Tay, would you mind to grab my bag? Okay, sit on Mommy's lap. No, we're waiting for Dr. Gilbert.
Okay, she'll be ready. He'll be ready.
Okay, okay. Thank you. What? You don't wanna be sitting down next to Mommy? Yeah, but I have to sit next to you. The doctor will come soon. Look at that. Don't press anything. Norami ay siya korek, eh.
No, I'm not gonna say that.
Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Mom, whose room is there? We're going home after this.
Yeah, Dr. Gilbert, your eye doctor. Guys, ito yung allergy sa mata niya. Ito. Nung una, super laki yan. Can I see it, Koy? Ngayon, maliit na lang, oh. Ay, ayaw niya ipakita. Okay, whatever. Ba't ayaw mong ipakita? Ha?
My hair is so messy.
Okay, guys. So, i-end ko na to. Baka darating na si Doc. Baka pagalitan pa ako dito. Bye-bye.